Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a comparison between the Moto G Stylus and the Moto G7. I'm going to just be walking around the park, switching the mics back and forth so we can see which one does a better job. It is a windy day. Yes, that is a minivan out there. But y'all let me know which one y'all like best. Yes, I'm putting both budget phones against each other. The Moto G7 came out last year. The G Stylus, is a new phone from Moto. You can get the G Stylus for $299. This video is in 4K at 30 frames per second. Do y'all see any type of focus problems? Nope. But let's do some walking. Yes, I'm going to come back at 1080p at 60 frames. That way we can test out the full range of the cameras. Again, it's kind of windy, so let's see which one does a better job with the wind too. Look at the grass. Do y'all see any problems? Does anything look washed out? I don't know. I'm also going to do some photos and also some nighttime video and photos too. I might do a nighttime video by itself though. Don't know. How does that motorcycle sound in the background? I'm gonna come back with the 1080p next. Until then, peace. Alright, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Again, slow pan of the Texas sky. Again, how do I sound? How does everything look? How does that four-wheel or motorcycle sound in the background? Yes, that's the minivan again. Y'all know what I'm going to say. Real men drive minivans. Again, which mic does a better job with the overall wind? And is it worthwhile picking up the Moto G Stylus? Yes, I've been trying to use the pen a little bit more and really try to dig into that. Hopefully I could come make some good videos about it. But, sometimes you gotta pick up budget phones and just try them out. Is this camera good enough for what you use your phone for and save you some money, especially during these times? I don't know. I can't answer that question. The person that can answer that is yourself. That's the only person. All I can do is give you comparisons, video tests, and let you do your homework. And you make the final decision on what phone you want to pick up. But I'm going to come back with 1080p at 60 frames. At 30 frames actually. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames. Again, how does it look? I do like how Moto, you can actually take a photo from the video that you're taking. You just have to press the button to actually take the photo. I wish more OEMs would do that. I know a couple of them do. But it actually looks pretty good. I don't know, do we have a winner yet? This is the third round of video. Do y'all have a favorite yet? Is it worth the upgrade? Y'all let me know. I'm actually going to come back with front-facing footage too, but I just want to show y'all what 1080p 30 frames look on both phones. How's the stabilization? Because I'm just walking, holding both phones. Which one? Does anything look blown out? I don't know. Look at the sky. Slow pan. People like slow pans of stuff. I don't know why. Which mics actually sound the best too? Y'all let me know. I'm going to come back with the front-facing camera in a moment. Until then, peace. Alright, so this is the front-facing camera on both phones. Yes, this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. What y'all think? How do I look? How do I sound? I don't know. I don't know if these front cameras are up to par. So if you do like taking videos or selfies a lot, the phone may not be yours. But y'all let me know how do I look and how do I sound. I'm going to come back with some photos and then also some nighttime video and photos too. So I went in the shade. Does that look any better? I don't know. Let's see. Let's stay right there. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. I don't know. I think they actually look pretty good now. I don't know. See? How does Force Tech look? But y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. Again, these are budget phones. Just trying to do a test. Stay tuned to the video. I mean, the photos I have coming up, and then also the nighttime video and photos that I might include at the end of this one. But y'all let me know. Until then, peace.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames at nighttime. Yes, I'm at my famous little shopping center. No, they are not open because it's probably about 11 or 12, 11:30 at night. But what y'all think? Yes, this is the G Stylus against the Moto G7. Now, I was going to do some photos with both phones from nighttime, but the G7 does not have a dedicated night vision, so it's not even close. Like, it's not even a competition. It's not fair, so I'm gonna just do the the video, and show y'all. But y'all let me know which one looks the best right now. Again, I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth, so that way we can test out the mics. And yes, I'm just holding the phones walking. But I'm going to come with the front-facing camera really soon. And to then, peace. Alright, so this is the front-facing camera on both phones. How does it look? How does it sound? Yes, I'm at nighttime. What is that? Look at that light. That is weird what the camera is doing with the Moto G Stylus. But again, which one has the better sky? The G Stylus looks a little bit darker. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I'm just walking around the little shopping center. So you can go get a massage. Well, I guess right now you can't get a massage, but hopefully soon. Texas is opening up, I guess. But we're not going to talk about that. Y'all let me know how these cameras were. Which one was your favorite camera? Which one did a better job? Which one do you want to pick up, especially if you like budget phones? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. I don't know. I think they actually both look pretty good for $299. But y'all let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both phones. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Force Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here.